What's up guys? I hope you all are doing good and staying safe, and I know I'm making a video after some time, but never mind, better late than never. And today I am having the Xiaomi's newly launched Redmi Note 10 Pro Max in all its glory. And don't worry, it's not this bronze color. They have represented a random color. It's the glacier blue color with me, and this is touted by Xiaomi as the best mid-range phone under the price segment of rupees 20,000, because this phone costs rupees 20,000. So I can't give this the title of a budget phone because 20,000 is not a budget price range in the smartphone market for the moment, but it's having the all new 108 megapixel ultra clear camera, which is surely the highlight. As you can see, it's also written boldly on the box right besides the made in India tag, because these are the Chinese companies and they have to promote the made in India logo in order to survive in the country. So let's see what this phone has got, and can this phone actually live up to the hype of its Pro Max name, because only the iPhone 12 Pro Max is another phone I know that is having such a long and such a big and such a worthy name of the Pro Max. So let's unbox this and find out what this phone is all about. Alright, so let's unbox the all new Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. So this is the box for the new Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, and the box is very heavy and it has a lot of contents. I mean, the box weight is very much heavier as compared to the box of my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Look at this box, how slim it is, because Apple has not given us anything actually, just the device and one USB Type-C to Lightning cable. And if you compare the box size, you can actually fit around, I think, 3 iPhone 12 series boxes as compared to one box of the new Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. So can we just say that Xiaomi is not an environment friendly company? Anyways, jokes aside, let's unbox this device. So on opening the box, firstly you get this designed by Redmi pamphlet, and this pamphlet will contain all the paperwork. And oh yeah, it also has this transparent TPU case, and as you can see, the case quality is very nice and it's a matte finish. The case has got the matte finish, and Xiaomi is still giving us cases with the devices, so it's really good as compared to my iPhone. The box was thin, I can agree, but they don't give us this much accessories till now. So I'll keep all these things aside, and apart from that, let's see what the other box contents are. So we get a look at our device, and this is the all new glacier blue color Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. Look at the light blue color and the shiny blue sides. This looks a premium phone just by holding in the paper itself. I can't say this is a budget phone, and it really looks slim, shiny, and a flagship phone. So on removing the paper from the phone, oh wow. So the first impressions, this thing is a fingerprint magnet, because you can just see it's getting fingerprint 10 seconds after I have removed the plastic cover. And the blue color is very shiny, like you can see it's giving various colors, like it's also giving the golden color, which is a beautiful golden color, and the sides are shiny. You can see the shiny blue sides. The sides are good. Like if I compare to my iPhone 12 Pro Max, the sides are almost the same. They are shiny. These are the fingerprint magnet sides, and I will prefer you to laminate the sides or just protect it by putting a screen cover. So let's keep the device aside and check all the other box contents before moving towards the device. So inside the box you get a USB Type-C cable, and apart from that, Xiaomi is giving us a very big charging brick. It is a 33-watt charging brick with the power output of 5 volt and 3 amperes, and it supports fast charging. and the brick weighs very heavy. I have to say my iPhone 12 Pro Max, the entire box was lighter than this brick. So Xiaomi is really giving us value for our money. Charging brick, charging cable, the device case. So Xiaomi is really providing a good value for our money. So now let's keep the box aside and have a look at our device. So you can see the device, and I'll give you the physical overview now. So at the top, firstly you get the 3.5 mm headphone jack, which is a rare commodity in 2021, I have to say. And apart from that, you get the IR blaster, and now going to the right hand side, you get the volume controller, volume up, volume down, and this is a power button which is also working as the fingerprint sensor. So there's no in-display fingerprint reader, there's no back fingerprint reader. The fingerprint reader is on the side on the power button, and you just have to press, or you can just touch to unlock your device. So coming down to the phone, you get the USB-C charging port along with the speaker setup. The speaker setup is a stereo speaker setup, and on the top also you get a set of speakers, and on the side you have a SIM ejector tray, and in this SIM ejector tray you can insert both the SIM cards and the memory card at the same time. So it's a triple SIM slot in this device. So now let's boot the device. As you can see, it's showing the Redmi logo. Redmi is no longer the part of Xiaomi. Redmi is an independent brand. So you can see Redmi powered by Android. Alright, so the device setup is complete now, and as you can see, it is powered by the MIUI, and it's not like the traditional MIUI which I was used to use in the phones, but it's a new type of MIUI which also has the app drawer, which many Xiaomi users were complaining for years. Your complaint has been resolved, and now you can enjoy the app drawer. And I have to say, there's little to no bloatware with only Google apps and a little Xiaomi apps like the calculator or the Mi Credit or the Mi Pay or this Mi Remote or the security app. So there's not much bloatware, only Google apps or the custom Xiaomi apps. Now if we go to the settings, you can see in the about phone we already have one update available, but it is already powered by the MIUI 12 based on the Android 11, which is the latest Android. And you can also see it is a 128 GB variant, and out of 128 GB, 17.1 GB is already occupied. So out of the box, 17.1 GB will be occupied, and you will get roughly around 110 gigabytes of storage available in this device. So if we see some other things, one other thing is that all the words, all the lines are very dark and bold. As you can see, the words are really bold, which is a good thing. And let's see, if we go to the display, you can also see like the refresh rate is 60 Hz for the default. So out of the box it's 60 Hz, which is the default refresh rate of this device. But the good part is this device supports 120 Hz refresh rate, which is one of the first in this price segment. And I am also using 120 Hz display for the very first time, because I am an iPhone user from many years now, and iPhone has been operating on 60 Hz refresh rates from quite a long. Let's see if they come with 120 Hz this year. But my first experience with 120 Hz is that it's really smooth. It's not just a gimmick. The ratio of going from 60 Hz to 120 Hz is very high. The smoothness is very high because the refresh rate almost doubles from not almost, but it actually doubles from 60 Hz to 120 Hz. It really feels smooth, and the animations are really fast, and I am experiencing some very good display quality in this device. So this device is also powering an AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate. That's very soothing in this price segment, because this device cost 20,000 Indian rupees for the 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage variant, and it's not even 400 Canadian dollars. So the price is less than even 400 Canadian dollars or rupees 20,000. and you get so much of good value. So Xiaomi is really sticking up to providing great value with not so great prices. Now let's see about the fingerprint scanner as well. So if we go on the password and security, we will set up one fingerprint. So the fingerprint sensor is on the right side on the power button, as I have told you earlier also. So let's see what's the quality of that fingerprint scanner. So right now I'm going to add my fingerprint. So let's start with my thumb. So adding the fingerprint is not very difficult. It is picking up my thumb. I have got only one error out of the 5 or 6 times that I have applied. So as you can see, by just pressing the power button, I can unlock the device, but if I use any other finger apart from my thumb now, it will not open. It will ask you for your fingerprint, and now if I use my thumb, it unlocks directly and it's very fast. So the fingerprint mechanism is really fast. You just have to press the power button and it unlocks in a boom. So the fingerprint speed is really fast, and for now I am not having any type of trouble in using the side power button as a fingerprint scanner. So good job Xiaomi. But one other thing that I came across is the camera bump. So you can see from here also the camera bump is very much bulged out, and it also has this glass layer. The camera module is sitting on this glass setup, and if I put the device down and the camera facing the downside, you can see it bumps from all the 4 corners. You can see the device is bumping around. So the camera module is really bumped outside, but apart from that, it's a 4 camera module, and it's also powering 108 megapixel primary sensor, which is a very big number. But does having greater megapixel always means having the best and the greatest performance? I think no, because my iPhone 12 Pro Max is having a 12 megapixel camera setup. All the lenses are 12 megapixel, and they are providing that 12 megapixel cameras from so many years, and the camera quality, the image quality has been top of the line with that camera only. So the higher numbers don't always matter, but you do get a 108 megapixel primary camera sensor in this device. Now I'll show you some camera samples also from each of the lens of this device. Okay, so this is all about the unboxing and my initial overview and some camera review samples of this Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. And here's the thing, this is just the unboxing and my initial overview. So don't think that this is the final verdict or I have made my choice that should you buy this device or not, because I haven't made any choice, because I just unboxed this device and I barely used it for around 15 minutes to half an hour maximum. That also because of the 120Hz display. I have used that display for the very first time, and honestly I am enjoying scrolling just through the menu itself, because it really feels so much soothing and so much satisfying to me actually. So that's it for the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. I know the next flash sale is coming and you might be waiting for the review, you might be waiting for the judgment that should you buy this device over the Redmi Note 10 Pro, because both of these devices are powering the Snapdragon's 732G processor, and the only difference is that that phone is having a 64 megapixel primary camera. That is a major difference, and this phone is rocking a 108 megapixel primary camera lens. So firstly, I'll test the camera vigorously and I'll give you a camera comparison of this device with some flagship device, of course. So I'll give you the camera comparison, camera review first, so that you can clearly judge, is the camera difference really that thing that will make you move from a budget phone to a mid-range phone, or you should try the budget phone itself, that is the Redmi Note 10 Pro. So that's it. My initials are the display is really gorgeous, really smooth. It's the 120Hz AMOLED panel and I'm really enjoying just scrolling around. The UI is clean because I have used the MIUI after 2 years in India. So the MIUI seems very clean, very optimized, and it's more like the stock Android. Like they have tried to make it as close to the stock Android as possible. So I really like the UI as well. I like the camera. Like initially I am liking the camera. I like the concept of 108 megapixel as well. So let's explore the additional bells and whistles as well of this device. And yes, this phone is not 5G powered, so this phone is only a 4G model, and if you are looking for something powering 5G, this is not the one to get because this is not having 5G. So this will also be a major purchasing factor in 2021 for a smartphone, even it's a budget phone or a mid-range or a flagship phone. So do keep in mind that thing as well. Apart from that, I really enjoyed unboxing and my experience was pretty good. So just keep waiting for the review. I'll test the device and I'll post my review along with the camera review, camera comparison video as well. And if you have any type of questions or regarding this device, do post it in the comment section below. I will be testing this device in the coming days and I will be more than happy to answer any of the queries that you all have regarding the all new Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. So that's it for this video. I hope you will enjoy this unboxing and I will keep you posted with some more other exciting tech videos like this in the future as well. So if you like my work and want to support the channel forward, so do press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon as well to keep updated with the latest videos of this channel. Apart from that, goodbye guys, and I will see you all in the next one really soon.